Yes, wiwite hata mundo kwa wala wini kwa choka kanoe fiti kabisa na karibu katika channel kanoe patana choka kabisa cha Cambodia TV na nguo ya watu wako niko kuletea story letu ndio itakuwa mtandaoni na story letu ndio ku ground you nisi nibethe tuna nipe nikupe yani kuketha na fununu kuketha na ngewambinge ku mtandaoni kuhusu mundu wetu wa Abednego Katue na madam wako letwa Joan Mutheu ndo ingine mana wanga kulingana dramila manako nako umakwe kanisa story nini makwata kiana katika mitandao ando ingine manona ndwasu nitamati yani nitamakola nie lakini isiwe kesi muthenyano munde Abednego Katue na keno mini ku post bisomo ba ulamba hapo none tumete video eno wake na Joan Mutheu naandika caption ya kuandika tau you may have gotten away with insulting people using fake pseudo accounts online and gotten away with it in the past, but this time round you are messing with the wrong person. You are digging your own grave right now. If anyone is paying or rewarding you to insult and post nasty posts and comments about Joan Mutheu, hear this from me. We will hunt you down and we will get you. The price you will pay will tremendously affect you, your family, and the people connected to you. Sit back and ask yourself if what you are doing is worth it. Leave Kadoli alone, or better be prepared to face your worst nightmare. You are a shame to our society, and cyberbullying laws will be fully utilized to silence you forever. Abed in Orlando, FL, United States. Ku wa mwanolo ndo amina kubanga abanga ulo ndo tume pseudo accounts kana fake accounts kumanga kana kupost mundugo twa Joan Mutheu nandeto chafu yani kane nandeto nduku kana imumanga katika comment section you nimo mwatia we na Joan Mutheu na already ku set example na ninge whether no umange to ando ingi na hapo na this time round na ku set example na kindu kelo ku face nike ku affect we mwene family yake na nduonde connected nake yabanga cyberbullying laws kana sheria za cyberbullying sika tumekolondo wele yani mwana wa manishati nukwose atwa mundu wonde wethe akwataka kana yumanga kana post sindu the negative about Joan Mutheu ye manishata ye manisha no wethe maziokiane no wethe keneo kiki kana no wethe ongo ya olau na kono nethane manatianie nake vai maana mundu amumange ningi nundu onake no mundu ndisi onata lakini ningetionenga maoni mako katika comment section. Okay, then ibinda kuambe kabisa kutembelea Cambodia TV. Oso second ya kwemwe o subscribe mondo mayoka nesa. Ninge whether when a time no check out to our new YouTube channel yetu wa Cambodia Extra. No wa subscribe as well. Jina mbinge yakanamba kwa yoso tatuyedhiana katika next video kwendani kwa moyai.